Good morning, children. Welcome to our GK class. I hope all of you are fine. So, in this modern world, electricity is the very important and essential thing without which we cannot imagine our life. So, today's class is based on some facts on electricity. We know that electricity generally is generated from water or coal. Okay, but other sources are there also from which electricity can be obtained, that are renewable resources, means water, wind, and that liters produced by the factories also can produce electricity. So the only country whose electricity supply comes entirely from renewable resources is the Iceland. Iceland is the country in which most of its electricity, that is 85% of all houses in the Iceland, are heated with the renewable energy resources, and therefore 66% are from geothermal. Geothermal means the electricity which is generated from thermal energy which is present in our earth. And these 5 major geothermal power plant which are active in Iceland, they produce the liters that also help in the producing the electricity. So Iceland is the country which supplies the electricity to the people of that country, and which is produced from the renewable resources. Okay, so and the vast majority of the nation's electricity is generated by hydro power, that is waterfall and steams. Okay, and 73.8% is, to be exact, only 0.1 is produced with fossil fuels. Okay, so next stage, see here you can see the pictures of the geothermal energy in Iceland. Got it? Then you might have heard about a fish, that is electric fish. See the picture of electric fish. This is the electric fish. Electric fish is the animal which lives generally in the oceans. And this electricity, the electric fish, can produce the electric shock. But in the ancient Egyptian text of 2750 BC, the report says that peoples of the ancient Egyptian, they receiving shocks date back by these electric fishes. Okay, see the electric fishes how produce the electricity. Electric fish produce their electrical field from a special structure called an electric organ, and this is made up of modified muscles or nerve cells which is present near its mouth. Okay, then so the second answer is electric fish. Third question is, electricity finds the easiest path to the ground. Means electricity can pass from the atmosphere to the ground easily, because this electricity are nothing but the discharge of the charges, electrical charges. And during this lightning and thunderstorm, the buildings can be protected from the lightning due to with the help of lightning rods. See, these are the picture. This is the picture of lightning rod. It is nothing but a spike, a big rod, iron rod, which contains a tall spike. The lightning protection system is designed to protect a structure from the damage due to lightning. This lightning rod helps to easy pass of the electric discharge which occur during the lightning to the ground without affecting the electrical appliance of the building. Okay, so what is lightning? Lightning is the discharge of electricity in the atmosphere. The lightning is produced due to the positive and negative charges produced in the atmosphere. As the air rises, water vapor cools and forms the cloud, that we know all. When the air in the atmosphere heats up, it rises up and it cools down and forms teeny droplets of water vapor. That water vapor with the dust particles, they form the cloud. The heavier negatively charged particles sink to the bottom of the cloud and the lighter positive charged particles will move to the opposite, that is positive and negative charges grow large enough and it gained spark. Lightning occurs between the two charges when they come nearer to each other. And this discharge of the attraction between the two charges causes the lightning, which we see as the lightning in the atmosphere or in the sky. Okay. Then the computers, LEDs, solar cells, the electric vehicles, they run on AC and or DC power. These are these vehicles, electric vehicles, solar cells, they all run on the DC power. So what is DC? DC is the direct current and AC is the alternating current. So what is the difference between this DC and AC? The direct current DC is the flow of electric charge in only one direction, and it is the steady state of the constant voltage circuit. So all the appliances which work on battery, they work on DC power. But what is alternating current? Alternating current is the flow of electric charge that periodically reverse direction, means it is not in one direction. Got it? So then our heart pumps and it circulates the blood through our body, that we know. These heart muscles, they are contracted and relaxed, and the muscles, due to these muscles contraction and relaxation, electricity goes through the heart. When a person is healthy, an ECG, that is electrocardiogram, shows a line moving across the screen with regular spikes as the heartbeat. See this is the picture of a ECG. When you are healthy, when the heart functions properly in a healthy person, when the ECG is done, that is the electrocardiogram, then the graph will show like this, in the regular interval, the spikes as the heartbeat. See the spikes, it repeats in a regular pattern. It means it shows that the heart works properly. Okay. Then we know that lightning was discovered, the phenomenon of the lightning was discovered by the person that is known as the, who is he is the Benjamin Franklin, who discovered the electricity from the lightning, from the process of lightning. By studying the phenomenon of lightning, he discovered the electricity. Then semiconductors have the conductivity greater than insulators. It is unsafe to touch the electric appliance with the wet hand. Why? Because the water is the good conductor of electricity. But the pure water, that is the pure water, it is the bad conductor of or poor conductor of electricity. But the water generally what we use, that is not pure. So that is the good conductor of electricity. And we all love car, to travel in the car. You know, India's first electric car, what is its name? Its name is Reva. Reva is the available in Mahindra showroom. Mahindra company first has done the electric car whose name was the Reva, and it was across India. The Mahindra showroom, in the Mahindra showroom it was available, including Kerala, but it is replaced by Mahindra E20 later. The Reva took birth 10 years after the Lovebird in 2001. After the Lovebird, the car, the next car was done by the Mahindra company, that was the Reva, which was the first electric car. Reva is an acronym for Revolutionary Electric Vehicle. Okay, so this is about the some facts on electricity. In English language, this word electric is used to make the different phrases. The means the words related to electricity like sock, light, bulb, these are used to make the phrases, and they have a specific meaning. Okay, see, this is the picture of Reva car. Okay, see, it was the first done by Mahindra company. Okay, then we will go to the English, that is the phrases. First one is, if you unscramble the word, we will get current. After that suffix is news. Current news means the update news, means recent news. Next one is culture shock. Culture shock, it means better understanding of the culture, better understanding of culture. Then the third one is the guiding light. Guiding light means source of inspiration, source of inspiration. Okay, then next one is power nap. Power nap means a short sleep to restore the mental activities or the mental alternation, that is the mental stress, whatever we have mental stress, to again to regain our the mental strength, that is known to get that when we are taking a short sleep, that is known as power nap. Then it is blue bolt. Blue bolt means a sudden unexpected event which occurred, that is known as blue bolt. Next is all charged up. All charged up means recharged or motivated. It is known as motivated. Then switch off. Switch off means cease to pay attention, means when you are not paying attention to something, that is known as switch off. Okay, so this is about the page number 59 of your GK book, Facts on the Electricity. I hope you have understood and complete the work of page number 59.